Did you ever read that Yo-Yo Honey Singh's inspiration for brown, this thing was you?
I believe so.
Brown Rang?
I believe so.
Yeah, he said that.
Yeah, I believe he did.
I'm manifesting like a music video of you and him because why not?
Why not, honey? Let's do it, honey.
Desi Boys के बाद सैलाब नहीं आया, like, because that is a huge hit, cult hit role of
By
yours.
the time it released, yeah, उसके बाद I think I was getting a lot of these, like those kind of in the rain kind of वो सब situations. Yeah, so we had those coming. उसका सैलाब आया था. The wrong kind of सैलाब.
क्या ही है इंडियंस के पास रेफरेंस में हॉट टीचर के नाम पे या टीचर विद एस्पिरेशनल आई कैंडी सुष्मिता सेन एंड चित्रांगदा सिंह.
Oh yeah, right, Sushmita, of course.
Yeah. हाय चित्रांगदा, वेलकम टू द बॉम्बे जर्नी. कैसी हो आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं?
मस्त मस्त मस्त.
तो हम बॉम्बे की जर्नी करने वाले हैं.
हाँ बस क्या, अभी अंधेरी वेस्ट मुंबई.
कहाँ लेके जाओगे मुझे?
आपको ऐसा टेंशन हो रहा है क्या मैं किधर
नहीं
मिलेंगे?
मतलब इधर इनफ कैमरास, आई एम नॉट वरीड.
Yeah. आई एम आल्सो गुड पर्सन.
ओके, विल फाइंड आउट.
नहीं, सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम नहीं है, ये लोगों ने बोला मेरे को, इसलिए मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. बट इधर रोड एक्सपेंशन होने वाला है, ये सब टूटने वाला है.
बहुत टाइम से बोल रहे हैं. पता है हमको, एक जब भी कोई इलेक्शंस आते हैं तो हमको एक ट्वीट होता है जिसमें हम जितने भी लोग इसमें रह रहे हैं, which is like a lot of people from the industry, उन सबको ट्वीट जाता है. So then a lot of people liking, like Rahul Dev and Runal and
Mukesh Chabra.
There's Mukesh and there is
Apar Shakti Khurana.
Yes, there is Vipul Shah upstairs.
Yes.
Prabhu Deva used to live here. Shruti Hassan used to live here. Prachi Desai was here.
T-Series office is here.
We right across.
ये तो गढ़ है यार.
Producers है. अगर हमारे कहीं कभी बॉम्बे में कुछ हुआ और अगर कर्फ्यू लगा तो हम यहाँ पर,
ऐसी चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट गलती से
लग गया तो हम अंदर बैठ के फिल्म बना सकते हैं. We have Ahmed Khan, we have a choreographer.
अरे वाह.
And और कौन बचा फिर?
Vicky Kaushal used to stay here.
Yeah, his parents are here, so हमारे पास एक्शन भी है, सब कुछ है.
Sorted.
We are sorted. We have an action director.
Everything is here.
We have.
But you've been here for a while.
I've been here 11 years, actually. Yeah.
Really?
Long time. 2011 I came. तो कितना हो गया? नहीं.
हाँ, 11 साल हो गए.
Like 11. हाँ, 11 साल.
तो ये बताओ आप की जो,
और ये सड़क हमेशा से ऐसी है.
हाँ यार, ये सड़क
कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं, कुछ टाइम बन जाती है फिर ऐसे हो जाती है.
Oh God, but yeah, and it becomes worse उसके बाद.
Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. I don't understand how y'all can put up with this, but
I don't know how we just carry on, I guess.
तो ये बताओ फिर आपका जो परवरिश का था ना
जी,
वो मेरे को कुछ ज्यादा समझा नहीं, तो I was like मैं आपसे पूछूंगा. There is जोधपुर, मेरठ, बरेली, and there is one more city.
हाँ.
तो चारों में से what feels like home? What place was truly home? Like कहाँ से आपका क्या सफर रहा?
Delhi is home.
Delhi?
क्योंकि मैंने I was born in जोधपुर.
जी.
उसके बाद हम लोग जिधर भी पापा पोस्टेड थे, लाइक थोड़ी देर के लिए बरेली थे, मऊ थे, कोटा थे, देन ही वेंट टू इम्फाल. उसके बाद हम मेरठ आ गए. फिर हम मेरठ में वहाँ पे आई थिंक आई डिड माय लॉन्गेस्ट स्कूलिंग मेरी मेरठ में हुई थी. उसके बाद
which is very close to Delhi also.
Very close to Delhi. And then हमने कॉलेज के लिए, then finally I came to Delhi.
जी.
And I did my college in Lady Irwin.
Oh wow.
फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन पढ़ा. मुझे लगा कि मैं डाइटिशियन बनूंगी. एंड
पढ़ाकू थी आप?
हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं कुछ डॉक्टर या कुछ बनने वाली हूँ.
Oh wait, tell me percentages now, because now I'm like a geek is sitting.
It wasn't that. No, it wasn't that good. I was what? I think 79%. It like the best of 4 या 5 जो होता है ना, उसमें 82% आया था.
Oh wow.
Not bad.
10th or 12th? 12th.
Yeah. But yeah, so I did that and फिर सोचा कि food and nutrition, dietitian ये वो. In the meantime,
that must have helped for you for your journey till now, na? And if you know so much about the basic of it, then
क्या उसमें आप सीखते हो कि पालक के सूप में कितना सोडियम होता है, कितना पोटेशियम होता है, नहीं देना चाहिए अगर ब्लड प्रेशर हाई है, stuff like that. So we used to sit and make meals for that. तो ये सीखना पड़ता है. It's not some fancy, cooking.
Yeah, it's not
stuff.
like
it's not
cookie cutter model जो आज कल थोड़े लोग अपना रहे हैं.
Not at all. So we did that kind of studies. So yeah.
Interesting.
So did that and then what? Then I started modeling.
Yeah, but
तो मैंने कहा तो बड़े आसानी से पैसे यहाँ पे मैं कमा रही हूँ. Why should I study?
रुको. ये कैसे हुआ? ये इंटरेस्ट था? Were you doing modeling shows or were you doing fashion shows?
No. So yeah, in college we were doing fashion shows.
Okay, ठीक है.
So as part of my फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज में मनप्रीत बरार had just passed out.
Okay.
So she was the Miss Universe and you know वो सब मतलब alumni and so उस समय बड़ा I thought fad था for fashion shows and stuff like that. So there as part of my ragging they told me कि आपको ये जाना है और आप सलवार कमीज में जाएंगे, वो भी उल्टा सलवार कमीज पहन के तेल लगा के चोटी में and all that. It was because I was a hostler तो हमारी दबा के you know रैगिंग होती थी. So चप्पल में so वहाँ पे ऑडिशंस हो रहे थे तो उन्होंने मुझे वहाँ भेजा ऐसे कि आप जाओ फ्रेशर और हम आपको देखते हैं, आप जाके ऑडिशन देकर आओ. तो I said ठीक है. So
not bad यार, you're also a sportsman.
Yeah, I went and I was like, I'm going to do it so good. You wait and see. So in that chappal and I still remember ulta kurta and salwar we had to wear. They were very mean to us, yeah. And 40 choti honi chahiye thi and the check was that any time if a senior is coming around, अगर उन्होंने आपकी किसी चोटी को ऐसे पकड़ा, उनके हाथ में तेल नहीं आया, then they'll pour oil on you. So that's मतलब enough तेल होना चाहिए कि मतलब ऐसे पूरी
drip हो.
हाँ, like
and they wanted you to look.
And we used to be stinking those days. We used to be smelling of oil, like everything smelled of oil. So yeah, तो फिर उसमें मुझे they took me in the fashion show team, and then slowly, yeah.
ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, पता है मुझे आपको, कि हमारे कॉलेजेस के फेस्टिवल्स में अपना टैलेंट समझ में आ रहा है पब्लिक को.
अभी उस समय तो ऐसे ही था.
ऐसे ही था सच्ची.
Now I mean I guess they know it much before and people are, I mean kids are much smarter.
Yeah.
But
that's
literally,
the mother in you speaking suddenly, no?
No, but it is because now I can see the difference, you know.
Yeah, dude, it's so evolved.
It is unbelievable. I think we just stumbled upon things कि अच्छा मुझे ये भी आता है, मैं इसमें अच्छी हूँ या उसमें अच्छी हूँ.
इसमें मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ, and then like how like fools we both are sitting here with science and all that, and now we're sitting and doing this.
क्या किया साइंस का?
मतलब I don't know. So basically I was talking to someone and मैंने उनसे ये पूछा कि ऐसे क्या जरूरत है यार इतनी पढ़ने की, क्यों पढ़ाते हैं इतना ये वो, you know, like how useless is it, why am I sitting and doing history, मुझे क्या करना, वर्ल्ड वॉर में क्या हुआ था and whatever.
Yeah.
I was like, you know what, actually, and this is a very wise thing that person told me, you know, he said that 12 years of your life, if you go and tell somebody कि आपने कॉलेज किया है, उसके बाद आपने ग्रेजुएशन की है, you are basically telling that person कि आप में इतना डिसिप्लिन है, या आप इतने परसिवियरिंग हैं, या आप इतने फोकस्ड परसिस्टेंट हैं कि आप 12 साल तक you can commit yourself to something and learn something.
That's absolutely right.
The minute you walk into somebody's office or something, मतलब there is that sense. अब उसके beyond आपकी क्या इंटेलिजेंस है, that is common sense and whatever else you've learned, right?
सटीक बात बोली यार इन्होंने, क्योंकि कोई कॉर्पोरेट में भी जाओ अगर आप एचआर वगैरह इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, if they see somebody who's worked somewhere for 5 years, they're like consistent है भाई ये पर्सन.
Yeah, I think that is what is important, you know, to just get used to the discipline की commitment, right? Commitment. Yeah.
तो ये बताओ फिर आप मॉडलिंग फुल टाइम क्या सोची थी, आप क्या बनना चाह रही थी?
कुछ भी नहीं यार, मुझे सिर्फ पैसे कमाने थे, honestly.
That
is all. Because मेरा जो भाई उस समय he wanted to become a professional golfer.
Yes.
और मेरे फादर आर्मी में थे, तो आर्मी में आपको कितनी इनकम मिलती है, क्या सैलरी होती है, सबको पता है.
True.
सब लोग बहुत टाइट डील्स, shoestring literally, and especially.
I mean things have gotten better now, right?
They're much better now, but you know, आप उस समय पे आप 1.5-2 लाख का सिर्फ एक गोल्फ सेट खरीद रहे हैं अगर. So, I mean, for an army man, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money.
It's just generally a lot of money.
And not just that. उसके बाद आपको पता नहीं है कि इसको he still hadn't started earning, तो वो amateur golf खेल रहा था, professional
आज वो एशिया लेवल गोल्फ प्लेयर हैं, आप लोग को बता दूं, और बहुत सुंदर व्यक्ति भी हैं, देखिएगा उनका जाके.
And उसके बाद travel, कोई sponsor नहीं है आपका equipment, travel, stay, playing, everything. So it was very expensive. So my dad said कि यार मुझे नहीं पता कि अभी dietitian ये वो सब के लिए आगे.
हाँ, दोनों ही अलग अतरंग कर रहे हैं कुछ.
तो I said ठीक है. So I said I'm going to make my own money. तो वो by chance I got some, एक को पहला assignment मिला, फिर मुझे कुछ और मिला. And Delhi में उस समय काफी advertising work हो रहा था.
True.
A lot of advertising agencies at that time. तो फिर
So what kind of gigs were you picking up?
Just print ads. I remember the first one that I did was like $2,500-3,000. That's it. फिर मुझे
say hello to auntie.
IBM. Hello.
She's so happy to have seen you.
So sweet. So
did you say IBM?
Yeah. So they thought that I had a very intelligent looking face.
Okay.
तो उन्होंने कहा इसको चश्मा पहनाओ. The minute I wore glasses.
Oh, I know, wow. I know.
So I did this IBM, Oracle. I used to get a lot of these software. Yeah, so I got a lot of ads like that. I did a lot of prints. A lot of print work.
Cool, girl who knows her
HP
shit.
and I don't know what all. So yeah.
Which is true, you know. You have that face, which is why the then teacher in Desi Boys seemingly perfectly fits.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, please, I'm sick of that.
No, I don't think we can not talk about it, but we'll come to that.
Every Teacher's Day, every year, there's a picture of me. There's a picture
Orange
of me.
Cardigan wala.
Yeah, and there are these memes on it, and I don't know what not, and like, you know, please come and teach us economics, and we like how you teach it. I get all those. So yeah, that's really stuck. वैसे हाँ.
Interesting.
I don't mind.
Wait, we'll get from modeling to Mumbai. So then Mumbai कब आती हो आप पहली बार? Like, what was that? Do you remember that day?
Remember the day? Yes, I remember the day. I came first time जब मैं हजारों ख्वाहिशें जो मेरी पहली फिल्म है उसका जो थर्ड ऑडिशन हुआ था
जी
वो देने के लिए मैं फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ आई थी. मेरे पहले
अच्छा, तो पहली दो चीजें वहाँ सुधीर मिश्रा ने वहीं की थी.
नो सो स्वानंद.
हाँ जी.
स्वानंद किरकिरे.
ऑफ कोर्स.
तो वो आए थे वहाँ पर. दे हैड बीन ऑडिशनिंग पहले. आई थिंक वो लोग बैंगलोर कैलकाटा जा चुके थे एंड दिल्ली वाज द लास्ट वन जहाँ पे वो एनएसडी स्टूडेंट्स को यू नो एंड स्वानंद इज फ्रॉम एनएसडी.
करेक्ट.
सो वो वहाँ पे ऑडिशंस कर रहे थे एंड उनको तब तक दे हैडंट फाउंड. देयर वाज वन अदर एक्टर आई वोंट नेम हर जो वो सोच रहे थे कि यार दैट्स द पर्सन दैट वीड गो विद इफ वी डोंट फाइंड अ बेटर गीता और व्हाटएवर. बट Sudhir was like, नहीं, we have to. Thank God he was thinking like that. So finally वो दिल्ली पहुंचे स्वानंद और वहाँ पे auditions हो रहे थे. So okay, now you have to pay attention.
जी, I am.
तो गुलजार साहब ने एक म्यूजिक वीडियो डायरेक्ट किया था जिसमें संजय सूरी थे मेरे साथ एंड मेघना ने प्रोड्यूस किया था. आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली वन जो शायद गुलजार साहब ने कभी लाइक डायरेक्ट करा है.
आई डिडंट नो अबाउट दिस. ये कौन सा है?
सनसेट पॉइंट नाम था उसका एल्बम का. एंड कच्चे धागे उसमें एक्चुअली उनकी काफी शायरी है, उनकी पोइट्री है.
क्या बात है यार, सुनना पड़ेगा इसको तो.
यू मस्ट. It's lovely, it's beautiful and जो I mean गुलजार साहब of course बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. So उसमें थोड़ा बहुत परफॉर्मेंस था like first time मैंने like otherwise I was only doing print ads. तो first time music video, first time थोड़ी बहुत परफॉर्मेंस तो वो मैंने करी थी. Anyway that happened and खत्म, बात खत्म हो गई थी.
एक सेकंड, quick pause.
Yeah. I'm connecting.
Yes, I know. I'm just intervening quickly because there's another music video story that happens to be on the internet, but I couldn't find anything, so I need to tell you this. You're not in Hum To Thehre Pardesi?
No.
And why do the world?
They just use the visuals. That's why, and they put the song on it.
Which visuals from like all your other
I
work?
think so. Yeah.
Oh wow.
That was strange.
Yeah, because I went and I sat for 15 minutes. एक तो Hum To Thehre Pardesi is a 14-minute 41-second song.
Yeah.
It's the most famous Panwadi song ever.
Yes, but it's a good one.
It's a beautiful song. It's Altaf Raja at his best.
Yes. I did one with Dino also. My God, you must.
Really? I don't know about this.
Oh God, that's so like full on dramatic. Really? Abhijit song, Dino and I. And उसमें मतलब फायर शायर सब कुछ like there's a full on मसाला happening.
स्वानंद किरकिरे वाली कहानी आ जाओ वापस.
हाँ, तो ये गुलजार साहब के साथ मैंने वो म्यूजिक वीडियो किया and then खत्म like whatever आया जो भी. So the line producer of that music video was helping Swanand out.
Okay.
So they'd been here for like a couple of days. तो वो उसको नहीं मिल रही बोलता अच्छा यार क्या करें तू बता कोई किसी को ये वो this that. So finally he says यार एक लड़की है गुलजार साहब की वीडियो बड़ी like गुलजार साहब was very happy with her.
Yeah.
तो आप उसको ट्राई कर लो. तो कौन है एक्टर है कि नहीं बोलते नहीं सिर्फ मॉडलिंग करी है उसने. लेकिन गुलजार साहब was very like happy उन्होंने जितना भी किया उसके साथ.
That's big testament for you.
Yes, it is. So he said नहीं अच्छी है उसको ट्राई करो. So it was actually I forget Neeraj was his name, the line producer. So उन्होंने बोला स्वानंद को कि मैं उसको बुलाता हूँ आप खत्म कर लो लास्ट डे उसको बुला लेते हैं. जब आपका खत्म होता चलो ठीक है. स्वानंद wasn't like very hopeful. ठीक है बुला लो. So I land up and वहाँ पे NSD of course a lot of people were there. It almost finished like I think खत्म ही हो गया था सबका. So I was just waiting. Almost the last. I was the last person. Not almost. I was the last person. And that is when I gave my first audition for Hazaaron.
And मुंबई में कहाँ आई थी आप कैसे?
तो फिर जो second audition भी स्वानंद ने लिया. फिर finally Sudhir said कि okay fine you worked hard on her audition. स्वानंद insisted नहीं मुझे पता है she'll be very good.
Oh wow.
So
That's kind of him.
So he sends the first audition out and Sudhir says it's terrible. Swanand insists no, आप मुझे एक और चांस दो, मैं एक और करके आपको मैं भेजता हूँ, बहुत अच्छी है लड़की, इसमें हंस रही थी बट जो भी था. So इसे ठीक है. So he insisted and yeah, then Sudhir took my audition and he gave me the toughest scene. Is the scene when she's gotten raped in the police station, and then the other one when she starts वो जब चीखती है, you know, when she's screaming at the cops. So yeah, those two. I think I did it really well. तो फिर
of course you did.
Then Sudhir was pretty happy with the audition, so that's how. ये मेरा arrival था. काफी लंबी कहानी है, but
but it's a beautiful कहानी. They'll cut through and jump cut it into
perfect.
a precise one. Yes, Jay Mehta was listening to us. He's saying hello to you now. That guy will do it.
Oh, okay. He can hear me. Okay. Oh, how nice.
When do you finally move to Mumbai? Like fully, and where do you settle?
I finally moved in 2010.
Okay.
Actually.
And which area was this?
Where I am right now.
Oh, so that's it.
This is it. I stayed. मतलब मेरे कुछ family है who live in Powai.
ठीक है.
तो while I was house hunting, तो मैं वहाँ रह रही थी उनके साथ.
Oh, Powai that time was खाली. उससे वीरानंदा नहीं था.
Yeah, that's it. So that's where they were. तो मैं वहाँ रह रही थी 1 महीने के लिए और house hunting and then of course doing my meetings, ये वो सब चल रहा था.
And there's no particular struggle की कहानी है ऐसे कोई सच.
Struggle तो continuous है, ऐसा नहीं है, पर हाँ, I mean to be honest I was very fortunate कि जब मैंने वापस 2009 में मैं वापस आई तो ऑनर ने मुझे फिल्म ऑफर करी थी. सॉरी भाई.
Yes,
जिसको करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे शिफ्ट
संजय एंड शर्मन वाली है ना.
शर्मन, शबाना जी,
of course, and a very interesting film also.
Very interesting film. Yeah, very interesting. I think वो भी थोड़ी ahead of times थी.
Of course, Oner has been that guy.
Yeah, absolutely. What a lovely person.
Yeah.
So then I shifted to Bombay.
Yeah.
Finally. Like what? I think 9 साल के बाद.
क्या देसी बॉयज भी तभी हो रही थी? देसी बॉयज also around that time, ना?
देसी बॉयज happened in 2011.
11, हाँ, 2 years after.
Yeah, 2 years after. Yes. तो उसके बाद मैंने इनकार करी, which was actually.
मैं इनकार के बारे में तो पूरा आने वाला हूँ. देसी बॉयज के बाद सैलाब नहीं आया, like because that is a huge hit, cult hit role of yours.
By the time it released, yeah, उसके बाद I think I was getting a lot of these.
Sexy teacher.
Yeah, like a lot of those. Seductress है, sexy है, साड़ी में साड़ी, you know, like those kind of in the rain kind of वो सब situations. Yeah, so we had those coming. उसका सैलाब आया था. The wrong kind of सैलाब.
Yeah, of course. Because क्या ही है इंडियंस के पास रेफरेंस में हॉट टीचर के नाम पे, या टीचर विद एस्पिरेशनल आई कैंडी. सुष्मिता सेन एंड चित्रांगदा सिंह.
Oh yeah, right, Sushmita, of course.
Yeah. So then that's how they will put.
But these parts stick, huh?
Yeah, they do.
They do. Even Sushmita, my God.
Yeah.
Like as an audience, I think she was so hot.
She was so hot.
She was so hot as a teacher.
Yeah, but your shades wala look, that whole spectacles wala look, that sticks.
That sticks, na?
Because Inkar for me is a very important film. अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी तो मेरी strong recommendation है. इतनी grey film and pre-Me Too, like.
Oh yeah.
That film should be re-released, boss.
है ना? I feel a lot of my work is very before time.
पहला हो गया, सब बहुत पहले आ गया.
बहुत जल्दी हो गया. Timing off है.
Timing सही है, मतलब बुरा क्या? उस टाइम पे आके उसने भी काफी सही चीजें तो की ना.
Yeah. No, absolutely. मतलब Sudhir is ahead of times.
Definitely. So then जब आप you're switching on and off with cinema also, and they were very quick to even call the Oner film like your comeback of sorts, right?
Yes.
So like, how does that affect your? Which was, I mean,
like after some what?
Yeah, sure, 4 years, 7 years.
2003 to 2009.
Yeah, it's 5-7 years.
Yeah, 6 years.
How does that affect you as a person? Like when they're calling you a comeback star and like whatever.
Doesn't affect me. Should it affect me?
It shouldn't. But I've heard some interviews or some actresses being not okay with the whole comeback sentiment.
Why? Yeah, you can take time off, and I think it's great if you can make comebacks because that means कि आपको ना तो industry भूली है, ना आपको
audiences
भूली है. मतलब more than the industry, मुझे लगता है audiences नहीं भूली है. आपके काम को अभी तक याद रखा है. आपको अभी तक वो चाहते हैं. They want to see you on screen. I think वो एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's not easy to make comebacks, to be honest.
हाँ जी, 100% यार.
बट हैविंग सेड दैट, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई नर्वसनेस नहीं होती है कुछ।
नहीं, आपने वो पार्ट 3 ऑफ कमबैक भी किया फिर ना रिसेंटली।
I think I'm the queen of comebacks, right?
Yeah, why not?
Let's just call it that.
Yeah, let's do it.
Why not?
If you believe that, please Mashable India को सब्सक्राइब करो और कमेंट्स में बताओ ये बात। If you think this is the queen of comebacks, because truly,
I don't.
what have you done? Bob Biswas for me was amazing. I loved it. I told Abhishek Bachchan this. We're on that road where they live.
Yeah.
I saw Bazaar. I saw,
yeah.
and I was really fond of it. Saif Ali Khan launched the Bombay Journey for us.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
wow, nice.
and then there is of course Gaslight and very cool films that you've done in the last like 3 years, no?
Yeah. Also Modern Love.
Modern Love.
So Cutting Chai.
Arshad Varsi is one of my most favorite episodes.
Yeah.
And Cutting Chai is so grey, boss. Like the conversation that you're having on Marine Drive is one of the most fun
isn't it?
conversation ever.
It's so lovely.
Yeah. रुको तो अपन एक चीज मिस कर गए जिसके ऊपर मैं आता हूँ वापस, जो है कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा फ्रॉम गब्बर इज बैक।
Okay.
भाई वो तो मतलब 200 million views on YouTube across.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
I didn't know it was that big.
That is pretty big, isn't it?
हाँ.
That's huge, yeah.
Yeah, but like
200 million.
तो बताओ ये in the middle of all of these strong, hard-hitting roles that you're doing, Intezar was Inkar was very interesting.
Yes.
And then you're doing Kundi Mat Khadkao Raja. So that must have been something, no?
That was, I think I went to a dermat और मुझसे पहले फारा का अपॉइंटमेंट था।
Oh wow, this is the story?
This is the story.
Oh really?
This is actually the story, okay?
क्या बात है?
तो उससे पहले वो dermat का उनका था and I was waiting outside. I knew Farah and मैं उनको कहाँ मिली थी पहले? I think I met her anyway, I met her somewhere. And I'm coming in and I have these pimples and whatever I'm coming in for.
Yeah.
So she's like, sorry, listen, I know कि तुम्हारा शुरू हो गया time, मतलब I've run into your appointment. So whatever, we just got chatting.
So compensate as a music video.
Oh, that'll be something, huh?
नहीं, yeah.
But so ऐसे we just started chatting. क्या कर रहे हो? ये कर रहे हो? वो कर रहे हो? Whatever. I think this is what year was that?
2015-16.
Yeah, huh? Right. Yeah, you're right. 2014, 15.
Yes.
Probably. So whatever, some chit chat and then he says, you look lovely, you look so nice, listen, you're so sexy, this, that, you know how Farah is ki yaar kya lag rahi hai tu yaar, so you should be doing some number. Acha wait, listen, you're around like in Bombay and this, that. I said, I am, yeah, let me know, if there's anything, please tell me. Sure. So she comes back with this.
I did not know this story.
This is how it happened.
This is a mental story.
Literally, that's exactly how it happened. So I think Bhansali, Mr. Bhansali at that time, they were looking at somebody who was very like Indian and raw and matlab bahut hi like the brown skin, beautiful kind of girl. So that is what they wanted because the song was very matlab apna full on, desi. Yeah, it had that whole masala feel to it. So they wanted someone like that. So
that's become such a massive hit.
That was it. So literally that was it. So Farah called me. I landed up going to Bhansali's office. He was there. He showed me the choreography. It was mind-blowing, like you've seen it.
Yes, of course.
Like I couldn't imagine that I'd do something like this. So I asked Farah, I remember. I said, I don't know if I can do this. Like, I mean, it's a little scary to do it for the first time for somebody who's been in cotton sarees and done very... But it was such a good challenge, yeah. It was literally a character that I was playing. Matlab, I'm not a Kundi girl at all. In real life, I'm not that person. Yeah. So for me, it was like a character jisme a woman is so comfortable with her sexuality, with herself, in her skin, wearing what she does. Like it was literally a switch for me. Yeah. And we shot over 5 nights, I still remember. So the first night, it took me a while to get used to being that person. Like it takes you a while to just be so... I mean, yes, you're sexy, but then how uninhibited are you? Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, it's a very body understanding. Yeah, it's a switch. And it's literally a character. It's like if you have to play a drunk person. Yeah. And then once you're open, then you're like, then you can, or you're an abusive person, a character jo abusive hai. So, matlab, it's a switch. Yeah. That's not who you are, So... Then you made a good switch. Kudos. Good stuff. Thank you. You said brown, no? You know what? Did you ever read that Yo-Yo Honey Singh's inspiration for brown, this thing was you? I believe so. Brown Rang? I believe so. Yeah, he said that. Yeah, I believe he did. किसी interview में लिखा था. Yeah, long back.
Yeah, long
I
back.
I know.
How does that make you feel?
Flattered, yeah.
Yeah?
I guess he's such a big artist,
Correct.
and
He's one of the
done
biggest
so
episodes
well.
of the Bombay Journey also, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, 2.5
Yeah.
million views as we're talking right now.
Damn. So did he rap here for you?
No, he sat like this though. And he's just like chiller. And he's
Yeah.
just like, whatever. He's very chill.
Yeah.
Amazing. But like,
But yeah, amazing. Yeah, I mean he's.
I'm
such a good
manifesting
artist.
like a music video of you and him because why not?
Why not, honey? Let's do it, honey.
This clip will be sent to Mr. Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
Oh, okay.
So you also happen to produce then with
Yeah.
Surma?
Yeah.
ये कैसे हुआ?
To be honest, Siddharth, there was this bit in between where I was getting offered some very bad roles, I guess. I can
अच्छा.
say that. तो उस समय मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी. I think ये 2015, 16 की बात है. I think something like that. Yeah, 2016. I think it
ठीक
was
है.
2016. So I had started writing. मैं थोड़ा बहुत लिखती हूँ.
Oh wow.
So I had started writing at that
I
time.
did not know this.
I had started writing long back, and I have to thank Sudhir for that. क्योंकि इन कार में एक सीन है अर्जुन रामपाल के साथ जिसमें I confront him in the bathroom, in the washroom when I go behind him.
Yeah.
So वो वाले सीन में मैंने इतने सारे मतलब मेरे suggestions थे, मेरे inputs थे कि उसको
हाँ.
ऐसा feel होगा, उसको इसमें she'll feel like shit, she'll feel like she's put herself that low and you know whatever. So and what people are saying, मतलब the whole office was against her at that point, and she was made to feel like the bitch, So there were these lines. So he said, why don't you write it?
Yeah.
So what do you mean? I write the scene? So it's like, write it. If this is what you're thinking, it's good inputs. Why don't you do that?
Yeah.
You have a good mind, do it.
Yeah.
So I was like, what? Really? So I went and wrote it. And he shot it like that. So what you see, almost 80% of that is written by me. In
Thank
that
you.
Scene.
It had to be a woman writing it.
That's what he said. That's what he said. He said, I wouldn't think of it like this. The things you're saying, the way you are, and the inputs you have, you write it.
Good job.
So,
Thank you, Mishra ji.
Yeah. So that's the first thing I wrote. Anyway, तो फिर
So that's where the Keeda for writing, direction, production.
he put that Keeda in my head.
ठीक है. And then
Use
Surma
it.
happened.
So then I wrote a little bit, and I met this person actually by chance. मैं संदीप को मिली, and ऐसे क्या कमाल की कहानी है यार. And I've been surrounded by sports people, so I know how difficult their life is यार. मतलब अगर आप you've been paralyzed and you're on a wheelchair,
Yeah.
वहाँ से एक competitive sport में वापस आना,
Impossible
फिर से
to
captain
imagine.
बनना, to go and win the trophy that the country has never won before.
Yeah.
Not just that, you become the fastest drag flicker in the world. It was 145 miles per hour.
Unimaginable.
I mean, it was मतलब आप ये सच में एक फिल्म की कहानी है. It is more dramatic than what you would
It is
sit.
so dramatic.
Yeah,
That's so
that you
true.
would sit in a room and write. So I said, no, I'm going to write this. Because how do you pitch it otherwise?
Yeah.
So then I wrote like a synopsis, and जैसे एक होता है ना आपका vision note
हाँ,
kind
pitch
of
deck,
thing,
हाँ.
like a deck or whatever. Made a visual like a
Reference.
reference, and a छोटी सी film on like what I think the film can be.
Oh, wow.
Like, bits out of that. So I did like a visual
Oh, this is
presentation.
the whole spiel. This is proper pitching zone.
Yeah. And that's how we pitched it.
Oh, yeah.
And that's how I still have that lying with
No, you're
me.
still promoting it like a producer would.
No, but the thing is, it's just passion production. I mean, it's not like I'm a producer.
I'm sure. Yeah.
But it is what a story that was. So I just got so consumed by it. So, matlab, it's, and I think क्या होता है हर actor के साथ होता है. I think that in the beginning you start off as an actor, but धीरे you get so in love with the medium. So that you get involved in कि अच्छा इसको shoot कैसे करते हैं, इसको लिखते कैसे हैं, इसका screenplay कैसे होता है, इसको I mean everything about it. How do you sell it? How do you pitch it? So I suppose it is just one of those natural steps, that you would want to write
and
it.
Good progression.
Yeah, I think so.
मुझे तो देखिए ऐसा है कि बॉब बिस्वास में भी बहुत मजा आया देख के आपको, तो मुझे तो मजा आया. I was like,
you liked it.
Yeah, I was also really fascinated.
It was Abhishek's film mostly.
It was Abhishek's film.
Totally.
But for me it was like एक कोई फिल्म में से कोई कैरेक्टर निकल के एक फिल्म बना सकते हो आप.
मैंने बोला तो मुझे मार ही दिया उन्होंने फिल्म में.
आप तो खलास.
I was telling
ये नहीं बताना था.
एक चांस सबने देखी होगी यार,
देखी तो होगी।
नहीं तो देख लेना प्लीज।
जाओ ढूंढो। ऐसा है क्या चित्रांगदा, लेकिन कि ओटीटी वैसे एक फुल प्रॉपर सेकंड सॉलिड चांस है आपके पास जिंदगी में, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ योर last few releases are all OTT and
All
amazing.
OTT, yeah.
All of them.
But I mean, great. I don't mind being on OTT at all. लेकिन Bob Biswas wasn't supposed to be on OTT.
Oh yeah.
But हम लोग COVID
It's the timing that did not work
उस समय,
well. I know.
and it was delayed by like almost 7-8 months. Yeah.
True.
So yeah, and even this one, to be honest, we didn't start it off by Gaslight will be on OTT, but then again, producers decide. So. Yeah, but I don't mind. I think OTT also, like Atrangi Re was on OTT. Yeah.
Correct.
Can you imagine?
Correct.
Like I had no idea. मुझे तो, you know, like how sometimes the scale of the film and everything is enough for you to imagine that नहीं ये probably theater से, yeah. But even Sara was talking about that, and I think it makes sense. Yeah, that doesn't matter where it is. I loved that film. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, and मुझे लगा सारा का बहुत अच्छा काम था उसमें. And ऐसा कुछ फील ही नहीं था कि यार ये तो OTT है या थिएटर है या क्या. I didn't think of that because most of them anyway end up being on OTT.
तो मुंबई की बातें हमारी होती हैं, बॉम्बे जर्नी पे वो रह गई हैं, वो फटफट करते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, चलो.
So apart from Andheri West, what other areas would you say you relate to the most?
Hill Road.
Hill Road.
I stayed on Hill Road for like about I think 5-6 months.
अच्छा जी.
मैं वहाँ रही थी और वहाँ पे एल्को है
Of
जहाँ पे
course.
मैं दही पूरी बहुत खाई है.
दही पूरी
बहुत. You must try it, if you like चाट.
I've had everything.
और मैं मेरठ से हूँ तो मुझे तो चाट लाइक दिल्ली मेरठ ये सब. So हमारी वहाँ पे तो चाट बहुत अच्छी बनती है.
कहाँ की दिल्ली की चाटें बता
हमारी
दो,
चाट तो बहुत अच्छी होती है लाजपत नगर.
कहाँ पर लाजपत में?
वो जो लाजपत नगर मार्केट है, मेन मार्केट.
Of course.
Superb. I mean हल्दीराम.
कुछ भी खा लो वहाँ पर तो.
वहाँ पे तो सब एक्चुअली मतलब हल्दीराम्स ग्रेट, बट वो जो चाट है दैट्स डिफरेंट, वो अलग है.
यार हल्दीराम के छोले भटूरे भी आ जाने चाहिए मुंबई अब तो, मतलब आ गए हैं वैसे. नहीं है बट लाइक वो एयरपोर्ट के पास खुला है हल्दीराम एक.
Oh yeah, no, but that's too sanitized. वैसा टाइप का नहीं. That's too clean. I like.
मतलब चाट की तरह खाओ.
तो चाट लाइक हाँ, जैसे हम मेरठ दिल्ली वहाँ पे जैसे खाते हैं.
Then comes मुंबई की people. What do you have to say? Do you have experience?
I love. मतलब जो आप दिल्ली से जब आते हो, जो आप नॉर्थ से आते हो, स्पेशली फॉर अ गर्ल.
Yeah.
बॉम्बे ऐसा लगता है आप दूसरी कंट्री में आ गए हो.
That's true.
And for someone like me, जिसने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में रही है, उससे पहले मेरठ, and you know this, मतलब my growing up, I've done the belt. तो बॉम्बे for me was like freedom.
Yeah.
And I think एक चीज सिर्फ एक लड़की समझ सकती है कि what that kind of freedom means.
I know what you mean.
You know कि I mean when you don't feel eyes on you. आप कहीं जा रहे हो, आपने कुछ पहना हुआ है, आप नॉर्मली जैसे हंस रहे हो, बात कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, लाइक योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज चेंजेस. या आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज मतलब इट चेंज्ड. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई नोटिस द फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं पहली बार बॉम्बे आई थी और मैंने गर्ल्स को देखा, बॉम्बे गर्ल्स को. उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज वाज सो डिफरेंट देन गर्ल्स इन द नॉर्थ. मतलब ये आप बिकॉज आप बॉम्बे में रहते हो,
I know what you mean. I'm just trying to think about how the shoulders only have changed.
Shoulders,
the way you
standing,
walk,
talking, laughing. Even if you're standing on the road and you like, maybe if you just want to like stand like that and like do whatever and like talk like that and all.
And laugh out loud.
Laugh out loud. Just body, physical touch, everything.
Yeah.
It's completely different.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah,
it's
that's
just
the first thing that hit me. I was like, wow.
Zindagi.
I really like, मतलब like it felt like you're somewhere else, you know. और मेरे साथ तो एक बहुत ही कमाल की एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था. हिल रोड, आई वाज स्टेइंग ऑन हिल रोड देन, और मैं जाती थी फॉर वर्कआउट्स. आई फॉरगेटिंग, आई थिंक गोल्ड जिम और समथिंग आई यूज्ड टू कम. तो एक मैं ऑटो, आई यूज्ड टू टेक एन ऑटो एवरी डे, लाइक इवनिंग समटाइम आफ्टर वर्क 6:30 7:30 ऐसे हो जाता था कभी कभी 7:30 तक. सो वन डे आई get into the auto and I sit and I think I was on the phone when I sat and this guy brings me home and he drops me. मैं उसको पैसे दिए, मैं ऊपर चली गई and I realized कि मैंने इसको तो बताया ही नहीं था कि मुझे यहाँ आना है.
उनको बस पता था.
उनको पता था and he didn't even bother me by asking me कि कहाँ ले जाना है क्या. Like imagine the kind of trust you can have. I was amazed. No, don't you think?
I love it.
Like I can't forget कि मैंने उसको बताया ही नहीं था कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है, and वो मुझे वहाँ लाया बड़ा normally. हाँ इतना पैसा whatever. I was still on the phone and I left. because वो बहुत पास था वहाँ से, but
I'm
actually
sure,
I
but
needed
like the auto folks over here, they talk.
They talk and they know you, and what I really like is sometimes आप रेड लाइट पे रुकते हो तो कोई बच्चा वहाँ पे जो है कुछ बेच रहा है, कुछ है, वो आपको जानता है, अच्छा दीदी आज आप तो बड़ी जल्दी जा रहे हो आज, आप इतनी जल्दी क्यों आज वर्कआउट के लिए, अच्छा आज फ्री हो, आज आपके I love that conversation. Yeah. आज शूट नहीं है, या आज बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हो, शूट से आ रहे हो, you know, like it's just, it is so nice.
Do you have any favorite Mumbai slang?
ज़्यादा मच मत कर, much is very Bombay.
Yeah.
Chillam chilli is very Bombay. I sometimes say that. Chillam chilli नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे, you know, like it's like, you know, that's how you say it.
Perfect, yeah,
ऐसा ही,
perfect.
much chillam chilli और क्या? Like these are the words that I end up using.
Yeah, perfect.
मतलब जो हो गया है.
And you don't abuse it all? Why you gave me that look where you like I do, but like
no, I mean it is, then it's full north यार, वो अंदर से निकल के आता है फिर. Then it's not Bombay at all.
Yeah.
Then it is like
is that when
pure
you're driving or
North
something?
Indian, of course. Which is your favorite slang from Bombay?
Yeah, Rimta ke is one of my favorites.
And when the girl's really hot, what do you say?
Rapchik. Actually, Ravas. Yeah, but I don't like the usage of that word a lot because it's used like a little derogatorily, I've felt.
Okay, this MC Stan goes Ravas. I was like, क्या है Ravas?
I think he did that a lot.
A lot, ना?
Yeah.
Then I asked somebody क्या मतलब है, हाँ फिर.
Ravas actually मच्छी है रे.
हैं?
हाँ, वो मछली है Ravas.
तो क्या है, मतलब मच्छी जैसी लगती है?
I think Ravas is just like maybe I don't know if you have to decode it. It could be that, right?
Yeah.
Like a fish.
Like
cut
that.
probably. So then Ravas becomes that.
Okay.
Although Ravas is a good machili. Are you big on social now? You're not very active.
I'm okay. When I feel like.
Why is that?
I just find it very, how do you say? मतलब थोड़ा सा exhibitionist सा feeling आती है sometimes, you know, कि oh look at me, I'm so hot, I'm so pretty, I'm so this. Some things you have to, like the style file and all, now you have to, because so many people's work and everything, you know, right from hair, makeup, styling,
there's
clothes.
a team that you're working for.
You have to do it. I mean, even the guy who's giving you the costume wants it, the jewelry wants it. It's just part of the job now. Yeah. So you have to do it, which is okay. I understand. That's fine. But beyond that, I don't think I'm the types who'd be too much like,
hey guys, like this is how I woke up.
And I can't do all that. I find that very tiring, and
it's a lot of effort for sure.
It's a lot of effort. Plus, some people do it very, like Sarah. It's very natural. She can just start off anywhere, which is
I think it's
natural.
a generation thing also.
It is probably, maybe it's a generation thing. But do you think everybody nowadays likes to do it?
No, but like, yeah, a lot of folks are unable to. They have this very thing कि भाई मैं कितना अपना जिंदगी बताऊं. You're also probably reserved or introverted a little.
I am slightly, yeah. I don't think I'm somebody who's like totally out there.
Yeah.
I can't like, you know, I don't think I'm totally, like my brother was the one who would make all the friends and get everybody home and everything, and I'll be like, sit and check out, this is the one I can talk to, and this one I can't talk to.
Okay, so in the party, the corner of the room.
I would be in the middle of the room but not be talking much types.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you like to vibe but not talk.
Yeah. I guess that's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not in the corner, but I would have like interesting conversations with those 2 or 3 people. And I'll find those interesting ones, but I'll definitely not waste my time with, yo, babe, there's that, all of that going on. I would really stay away from that.
Yeah, this is who I am and this is my friend and aisa. But good fun.
Yeah, it was nice.
We'll
Lovely.
see you more often whenever you're doing short films or anything else. We can just do the journey again.
Yeah, we should.
Thank you. This is Sid signing off from the Bombay Journey. Bye, love.
See you. Thank you very much.